Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. So today I am going to be showing you a family recipe that I love to make. I haven't made it in a very long time, but it is not organic. It is not low carb. It is my dad's cheesy potato casserole recipe. It is awesome. It is the best stuff you will ever eat in your life, and I hope you try it. It's super easy to make, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. Come on, let's get started. As we get started here, I just want to let you know this is a perfect dish to bring over to someone's house if they're having an outdoor party. So if you guys are going to any barbecues or roasts or fish fries, go ahead and keep this recipe in your back pocket. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Grab a couple of onions, a casserole dish full of potatoes, salt and pepper, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of cream of celery, and 2 bags of shredded cheddar cheese. You can shred your own, but I'm lazy. I like to use this. The first part is the hardest part, and that is peeling potatoes. So if you have some children you can force to complete this task for you, I highly recommend that. Before you start layering all of your ingredients into your casserole dish, go ahead and oil it down with some kind of butter or olive oil. This will make cleanup much easier for you. Do yourself the favor. Once you have your casserole dish oiled, it is time to add your first layer, which is onion. And go ahead and cut these up into small pieces and then distribute them evenly across the bottom of your casserole dish. I love salt and pepper, so I tend to salt and pepper after every single layer in this dish. So you'll see me salt and pepper the onions before I add my first layer of potatoes. I also like to slice these potatoes as I go. It makes it feel like I'm breaking the task up just a little bit, but you can slice all of them up and then just put it all together that way if you want. After your first layer of potatoes, you can put down 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Then it's time for your second layer of potatoes. And then you'll want to top that with your cream of celery. And more salt and pepper, of course. Now you're ready for your last layer of potatoes. Don't forget more salt and pepper, you guys. The more the better. And then you just top it with the last can of cream of mushroom soup. And once you have this all spread out and evened out, go ahead and top this whole pan with cheese. And like I said, I use 2 packs of this Sargento shredded cheddar. But sharp cheddar is the best. And once you have that all set up, go ahead and put this casserole in the oven for an hour. Start the timer for an hour at 325. And after an hour, you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it for a little bit. I end up keeping it in the oven for about 90 minutes.
which is kind of great because after you have it in for an hour, you can start to make the rest of your dinner. If you're not bringing this over to someone's house, if you're just making it at home for dinner like I was tonight, it's a good time to go ahead and fix the rest of your dinner. And tonight I just put it with some simple pork and broccoli. It turned out really great. Now you'll know these potatoes are done when the cheese starts to get golden brown and bubbly on the top. And it won't do that until the potatoes are done. So that's your visual cue there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try out these potatoes. Definitely do. They're my favorite side dish that my dad makes, one of my favorites. He has tons of awesome recipes, but these are truly fantastic. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give it a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my homemaking content. And I will see you next Sunday. How is it?
Delicious.
Mr. O'Brien's seal of approval?
Absolutely.